In this video, we take a look at what the SAP Favorites list is and what options exist for editing it. The SAP menu is very extensive. Clicking through the tree structure to find the desired application can take a long time. Often the full range of applications is not required. It is therefore possible to create and manage favorites and navigate through them. Frequently used applications can then be integrated into your own favorites menu. For example, the favorites list can contain transactions, files, and web addresses, among other things. There are various options for creating a favorites list. The first option is the drag and drop function. To do this, select an entry in the menu and hold down the mouse button. Drag the entry to the desired position in the favorites list and release the mouse button. Another way to add favorites to an individual list is via the right mouse button. To do this, right-click on the desired entry and select Add to Favorites. The third way to add favorites to an individual list is via the Add to Favorites button in the toolbar. To do this, left-click on the desired entry to highlight it and then click on the Add to Favorites button. The current entry is now added to the favorites list. The fourth option shown is to add favorites to your list via the menu bar. To do this, select an entry with the left mouse button and then click on Favorites in the menu bar and then on Add. You can also add entries, folders, or other objects manually at this point. Creating a well-structured favorites bar and keeping it up to date can make working in the SAP system much easier. There is the option to create folders and move entries or delete them from the favorites list if they are no longer needed. To create a folder, left-click on the folder in which the new subfolder is to be created. Then click on Favorites in the menu bar and then on Insert Folder. Then give the folder a name. Another option is to mark the position where the new folder is to be added by right-clicking on it. Then click on Insert Folder. You can also enter a name for the folder here. Finally, the entries can be conveniently moved to the desired folder using the drag and drop function. If you want to delete an entry or folder from the favorites list, right-click on it and then click on Delete Favorites. When you delete a folder, all subordinate nodes are also deleted. In addition to adding and deleting favorites, the names of the entries in the favorites list can also be changed. To do this, select the desired entries and then click on Change Favorites in the menu bar. You can now enter the desired name. If you want to save the favorites list locally on your PC, you have the option of exporting it. To do this, click on Favorites in the menu bar and then on Download to PC. It is also possible to import a favorites list that has been saved locally on the PC. To do this, click on Upload from PC. The advantage of this function is, among other things, that a backup of the favorites can be created. Furthermore, this favorites file can be made available to a new colleague in the team, for example.
We hope the video helped you. In case you got any additional questions or comments, please leave a message below. See you next time, your advist-Academy.